Hello. Today I am privileged to have Dr. K.K. Rajan sir with me. He is the principal of Viswajyothi College of Engineering and Technology. He has done
Yes.
BTech from NIT Calicut and PhD from Homi Bhabha National Institute, Mumbai. His areas of interest lies in power generation, instrumentation, nuclear engineering, sodium technology, liquid metal technology, and many other areas. Today, we will talk about his experience in the educational sector, how Viswajyothi College of Engineering and Technology is doing in the current scenario, and let us now have him speak and let us discuss more about the institute, sir. So, sir, we can start the interview with your introduction to the institution with us. Like, can you introduce the institution to us, sir?
Our institution is Viswajyothi College of Engineering and Technology, Vazhakulam, Vattuvizha. It is around 30 kilometers from Cochin Airport, you can say. And our college is affiliated to Kerala Technological University, and it is, of course, with AICTE approval. And we are having 7 undergraduate courses we are offering. In addition to that, postgraduate courses in 3 branches and MBA. These are the courses we are offering. And our strength is of the order of 2,000 students and around 160 faculty members and around 100 non-teaching or technical staff. So that's about the institution, and it is started in the year 2001. This July 23rd, we are completing 20 years of our start.
Thank you, sir, so much for this introduction. So
Yes.
can you tell us more about the infrastructure and the opportunities for the students in terms of varied amount of programs and placements for the college?
Yeah. See, the college is located very close to Punnalur-Muvattuvizha highway, and we have a campus of the order around 28 acres of land we have, and around 4 lakh square meter building area we have, constructed area we have, and we have around 50 classrooms, and all the classrooms are ICT enabled. We have a large auditorium, seminar halls, then again ladies hostel, gents hostel, all the facilities for sports, athletics, and many other things. So that way, the infrastructure available in our colleges, I can say it is the best among one of the best, or it is equal to the best infrastructure available in the state or in the nearby area, I can very well say. And as I told earlier, we are offering 7 courses. The courses are civil engineering, computer science engineering, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, electrical and electronics, and then information technology, mechanical engineering, and the latest artificial intelligence and data science. Like that, we have 7 undergraduate courses we are offering. And this year, we have already got the AICTE approval for starting a new course, the emerging technology area, that is computer science and design. So that way, in this academic year, for the coming academic year, I can say, we'll be offering 8 undergraduate courses. In addition to that, we are offering post-graduation in computer science and engineering, and then electronics, VLSI design, post-graduation we are offering, mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, and MBA also we are offering. So this is the generally about the college institute or the facilities available in our college and the courses offered from our college.
So this is a very extensive list of program and opportunities for the aspiring students.
Yes.
And on this occasion of 20 years anniversary, as you said, this will be a 20-year anniversary for the college. I would also like
Yes.
to ask you the question that what is the plan for the next 10 year or the next 5-year cycle? What is the college preparing, or what is the vision for the next 5-year cycle or 10-year cycle?
Yeah. In next 10 years, of course, our focus is on improving the academic performance. That is academic performance in terms of pass percentage and in terms of the CGPA, or I can say the academic performance index. So we want to increase the academic performance, the pass percentage of the students. Also the academic performance index, which depends on the CGPA or the marks students are getting. So that we want to come to within the 10 colleges in the university. All Kerala, we have around 150 plus colleges. So we want to come in the first 10. We are in that region only now, but even we want to see that we are always continuously remaining within that band of 1 to 10. Academic performance improvement is our first target or the first objective. The second one is 100% placement for the students. With respect to placement, I wanted to say one thing. It is not 100% placement alone. We are targeting at quality placement, especially in the core engineering areas and software also. So depending on the interest of the student, we will categorize the students based on their interest, and we will be working for getting placement in the area which they like and which they want. And for that, all the facilities of training, from aptitude training onwards, all sort of training from the beginning, from the first year itself will start, so that students will be able to get the graduates or the undergraduates which are coming out from our college able to score better marks, better academic performance index. Not only that, they should be able to get a placement of their choice or a quality placement, I will say. So these two things, and then again the other extracurricular activities, not only in the academic field, other areas also we wanted in the area of sports, games, and other technological aspects also. We want to train the students, and we want to come to we want to be a front runner in that area. So this is the thing which we are looking for in the next 10 years. And there are many other things. I think if I am going to explain everything, it will be, that may not be required also. That's possible. Yes.
So now I will come back to you, sir. And because of a rich experience in the education sector and spending so much time in the education in Kerala and otherwise, I just want you to know, sir, what is actually keeping you in the education sector? What do you think are the factors for which you like this sector and this sector? What are the different aspects of this sector that you want to share?
In fact, I think I have not told you. I have been working in Department of Atomic Energy for 35 years as a scientist or as an engineer. And I retired from the service in the year 2016. And the academic field, I have only 5 years of experience. So I joined the academic field after my retirement from the Department of Atomic Energy. And now I am leading these academic institutions. And the thing I wanted to emphasize is make student. Now the main problem with the country is facing, we have many engineers. We are large number of engineers are coming out from the college every year, but they are not fit for the job. That's what the industry need, or what a higher research organization needs or industry needs, and that they are not industry fit or industry ready. That is one of the major challenge the country is facing, that large number of engineers are coming out from our college, but they are not fit for or they are not ready to, and they are not trained to meet the industry requirement. So my focus, along with the academic performance index, mark, etc., the industry-oriented or industry-aligned technological or technical education is the thing which we are going to focus in our college. So we have Industry Institute Interaction Cell and Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Both these cells together under the people with rich industrial experience we have selected. So we are giving the technical education in an industry-oriented manner. We are inviting industry specialists, alumni from our college. We are inviting to our college. They will be addressing our students, or rather, industrial experts will be sharing their experience with our students, mostly in a casual manner, not a very, very formal manner, so that the student will get a feel of what is happening in the industry. So on one hand, the industrial experts will be coming to our college and addressing the students. On the other hand, during the holidays and during vacation, we are deliberately sending our students to nearby industries and going on, to train them or to understand what is happening in industry. So our focus is on train the engineers to suit the industrial requirement or the current industrial requirement. And the technology is also developing day by day or changing day by day. Our syllabus and the textbooks and all those things, the change is not fast. We know the government system, the setup, the changes are not taking it very fast. Whereas the industry needs it. So our focus is also to train the students or make them aware on what is happening on the latest in the technology. And for that, we have a lot of what you call interaction programs with industry, research organizations, and experts in the field. And that will help the students to get a good exposure, and that will help to contribute later when they go for, they will be fit for the industry when they are coming out from our institution, is what I want to say. I think I have answered your question.
Sure, sir. So one more thing I wanted to ask, though you have mentioned about certain courses like in artificial intelligence, machine learning, but I also wanted to emphasize on that, sir, that what are the courses that you have started in the recent years or are probably planning to start in a few months or few years' time, which you think will benefit your students to a large extent, will differentiate them from other colleges?
Yeah, actually, in my opinion, all engineering branches are equally good. If you are, we want engineers of different talent and different skill. But the individuals may have some choice. So our idea or what we are trying to do, cater the wishes or what the student needs and provide education in that area, or based on the interest of the student, provide the education in that area. So that way, we have the latest artificial intelligence and data science, and we also going to have computer science and design. We have information technology already. We have computer science and engineering 2 batches. So that way, all these branches are more or less have a very good overlap. And what I want to say is, any of these branches you take, you concentrate on the studies and also undergo the training which we are giving. They will be able to get good job anywhere in the world, and they will be able to perform well and contribute to the humanity or contribute to the nation or the wherever they go. So that way, what I wanted to say is, the courses which we are offering and the training which we are giving and the infrastructure or the interaction during the 4 years period which you are going to get, will be very, very suitable and very appropriate for getting a better career in the future. So that way, I can very well assure you that taking up a course of any course for that matter at Viswajyothi College of Engineering and Technology, the future will be bright and good. He will be able to develop we will be able to provide a good start for a bright future in our college.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. So one more thing I wanted to ask, sir, that during this COVID times, in the last year and this year, how did the college cope up with it, especially last academic cycle, and how did it help the students in getting out around this confusion and studying in college?
Yeah. See, in 2020 March, when the lockdown was declared, we were closed the college, and almost for a month or almost for 3 to 4 weeks, we were not able to do anything. We were almost idling for some period. But later we realized that we should leave with the COVID pandemic and come out with the online education. Now, what we are doing, most of the subject we are teaching online. We have different softwares, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, all these facilities, and Google Classroom, many facilities are available. And not only that, we have so many videos we have taken for lectures of our own teachers and other expert teachers from IIT and other things. So with this, now the classes are online. But technical education, especially engineering education with online, is not enough. So what we are doing with the government and the university, there will be contact class for some period when the COVID is subsiding, or when it was subsided after the first wave. What happened? We have arranged our contact classes. At that time, what we did, out of the 2,000 students, 300 or 400 students will be allowed to come to college at a time. So that large crowd will not be there, and they will be undergoing contact classes or normal classes, maintaining all COVID protocol and physical distance, etc. So that period, that period of 3 weeks, will have a crash program where whatever we have taught through video or PowerPoint or other audio lectures, we will again cover once again and give a good feeling to the students. On that way, I won't say it is as good as the conventional class, but with this online classes and 3 to 4 week contact classes, we were able to do transfer the knowledge to an extent, and we say the technical education was we were able to do it more or less successfully, I can say, in the last 2 semesters. And our students have undergone online classes, and then they have undergone offline examination. The performance was reasonably good, and of course improvement is needed. But the students also, it was very tough task for them, because whatever without seeing our directly, they have to learn and come and write the examination. Another point which we are most seeing is better parent interaction. Our parent teachers association, and see, now the students are with parents, and we are alone here. Earlier students are with us and parents were alone. Now the point is, by maintaining good parent-teacher interaction, we were able to explain things to the parents, what way he should motivate their kids or children to study, and what way they have to encourage, because students also have a lot of difficulty while sitting alone, and no peer, no other friends, many things are there. So understanding all those things, I think we improved a lot in the last semester, or currently online education was become a part of our life, and students also to an extent accepted, and that way it is going on well, I can say.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the insights. I won't take any longer of your time. I will just ask you one last question, sir. that with a lot of students who are actually looking to apply for their college, and in general, all the aspiring students who want to want to come into the UG or PG programs this academic cycle, I want you to give them your advice or your suggestions about how they should approach the new academic cycle, their PG or UG courses.
Yeah, that is what I wanted to say is that all engineering branches, either it is civil to electrical to computer science or artificial intelligence, all branches are equally good. They should read, discuss, understand, study the subject well, understand the technology. Okay, understand the technology, and then application side also they have to focus. So scoring marks or getting good rank or whatever it is one part of it. In other part of it, try to understand the subject through reading and discussion, and also get exposure in industry, what is happening, and always try to understand what is the current trend in the area of the specialization or in the area of their engineering. So that way, it is not the branch or branch of engineering which matters. It is how deep you are and how you are able to understand and explain and attend to a problem, how to tackle an engineering challenge, and how to contribute to an engineering problem is the thing. So for that way, any branch is okay. They should be 4-year course. They have to study engineering for 4 years. That's what I want to. That's the message I want to give to the young generation of engineering students or young generation of engineers.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a privilege to interact and talk with you, sir. Thank you, all our viewers of Collegedunia. We look forward to this interview and we look forward to joining our college in subsequent time.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sharing your time with us.
Thank you.